Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's challenge, we're going to try and orchestrate a little piano intro in just 20 minutes. The rules for the challenge go like this. The accompaniment part will be played by strings tremolo, preferably concertino. The main melody will be carried by a French horn. In addition to the French horn, we will have a clarinet come in the middle of the intro. And the last element is double basses also coming in the middle of the intro to add interest. As usual, we're going to time segment the challenge. We have 5 minutes to create the strings part, another 5 minutes to create the horn and clarinet parts, and 10 minutes to create the bass part and for general fixing and enhancements. Our intro currently sounds like this. It's obviously still very raw. Let's see how it will sound orchestrated within 20 minutes. By the way, this is part 3 of a series. In the first 2 videos, we created the sketch for this whole fantasy cinematic track. You're very welcome to watch those if you haven't done so yet. Now, you can either just watch me do this and I'll also edit out the messy parts so it'll flow better. But I warmly invite you to join me and compose along. Just pause the video right now, load in those instruments that I mentioned into your DAW, and start creating the tremolo strings part. Are you ready? Let's do it. Okay, 5 minutes, and that's starting right now. Okay, it's not perfect, but we have a string tremolo part. Let's go on to creating the horn and clarinet parts in 5 minutes. If you're composing along with me, just pause the video right now, do your horn and clarinet, and come back and see what happened here. 5 minutes for horn and clarinet, and that's starting right now. Okay, start off with the horn. Because we don't have time, I'm gonna take a shortcut and just copy over the MIDI from the piano and try to fix it up. I hope this will actually be a shortcut. It was pretty easy to copy and paste the piano part into the horn part. That didn't take much time at all. But then enhancing and trying to fine tune and adding in the second clarinet part, that was a little tough in just a few minutes. But we have something basically down, and we also have still 10 minutes for a bit of fixing up, hopefully. So let's get to it. You're welcome to pause the video right now and do the 10 minutes of adding the bass and fixing up. Are you ready? 10 minutes, and that's starting right now. Okay, nothing fancy, just half notes. Okay, I skipped the last minute because I didn't feel that I had any really good ideas of stuff I could do in 1 minute to make this sound better. Let's listen to our 20-minute orchestration of the introduction to our orchestral track. Here it goes. And that's it. I'm pretty happy with what came out. What do you guys think about it? Let me know in the comments. And if you have been composing along with me, let me know in the comments how that went for you. I'd love to hear. And even if you could even post a link to what you created, that would be amazing. I'm sure everyone watching the video would love to see what other people are doing. We can create a little community here. That would be amazing. If you liked the video, if you learned something, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. That would mean a lot to me. That's it for today. We'll see you in the next chapter of this series where we will continue to orchestrate this piano sketch. Until then, goodbye.